33rd, you know my mind spaced out. Riding elevator since a child. Now I got a whole football team now. And everything they want I gotta write off. Cause I got a LLC. And you wanna see ID. Welcome to a 33rd experience. We back. 33rd universe. Let's turn some tunes down before it gets too loud. Scorpio, we here for the build. Very, very straight to the point. This one's fresh off of Libra's transformation. It wants to balance itself. Libra took the balancing act upon itself. Now Scorpio wants to dig deep, and it wants to transform, and it really wants to delve into this spiritual situation. So you have Scorpio, which is a water sign. It rules the 8th house. It's ruled by Pluto and Mars. So Pluto and Mars together, you have a very spiritual attempt here, because you had Mars in Aries. Aries was more the physical side of doing things. So now the Scorpio has the task to spiritually do things. So with the aid of Pluto, it wants to just dig deep into a place of unknown and really get an awareness that's not known, around, because this is the transformation, and the transformation comes from within, and it comes from inside. So this intimate energy gets real in tune with transformation from the physical over to this spiritual being, and the spiritual being wants to possess understanding of expectations of how to move forward. So it takes on the task of investigating, learning. That's why the Scorpio energy is very good at being the quality that can dig deep and really research and come out with understanding, because it knows how to, take things piece by piece by piece by piece and put it together and make it a transformation quality. Kind of like the Virgo was refining. It was not necessarily transforming, but it was coming out with a different product. So this is kind of like a better 2.0 in a sense, because the Scorpio takes that quality that's almost ready to transform, because it just had a full physical experience. It just gives it that new edge, and it gives it that new understanding of intimate self and care, so that it can transform into this exalted form. And this exalted form takes notice in Uranus. Uranus is a very unique planet, because Uranus is the planet that is very sporadic and very all-knowing, ruled by Aquarius. So it will know things such as Cancer in a sense, but this knowing will come in a rapid pace, and this understanding will come out of nowhere, and this forward thinking will be able, because the transformation has taken place from the physical over to the spiritual. So now you have this ability to look at this spirit, and now you're going to take a new walk, and you're going to see in Sagittarius how you really awaken to a new spiritual self. So we'll get into that next video, but all in all, Scorpio has the essence of doing spiritual things, digging deep with Pluto and Mars. Those two tackling each other together makes a very powerful, very, very deep bond. And I think this is the deepest sign in the wheel, if you ask me. So just take heed of this energy where it is in your wheel, and really understand what this quality can do for you, because it can transform things that you may need to be working on. So get ready for a transformation, and then Sagittarius, you'll be looking at an awakening. So we'll get into that next video. Y'all stay tuned. Appreciate y'all. Peace, love, and harmony.